Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vandana Yadav, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Science, the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, Bhopal. Today we are going to discuss pollution and its types. What is pollution? Unlimited exploitation of nature by man, which is disturbing our ecological balance of living and non-living organism in the biosphere, is creating pollution. So, pollution is something which is created by the human activities, and this unfavorable condition is not only affecting the human beings, but it is also affecting our animals, our flora and fauna. Now, how is this pollution growing day by day? We can say that pollution is a necessary evil which is coming with the development of buildings or modernization of techniques. So, now can you define pollution? Pollution means something which is in excess, the excess quantity of any substance in the nature or in our surroundings or in the environment is called pollution. You already discussed that pollution is created and it can be natural, but now how it is created by the activities of human being. Now, first thing which you need to know is there are certain important factors which are growing or which are happening in our daily life which are causing pollution. Number one is the population growth, which is growing day by day and which is one of the major factors for environmental pollution. Number two is the misuse of our natural resources, which is regularly done by the human beings, and third factor is the industrialization. So, these are the major factors which are responsible for environmental pollution. Now, you will say, how is this pollution growing? So, everything has certain source. So, pollution is governed by the pollutants. Now, what are pollutants? Anything which can cause pollution is pollutant. It is a general definition, but to be specific is whatever activity is done in excess will create excess of that substance and which is harmful to the human beings. Like I will give you an example, that burning of fossil fuels, it is creating heat and also it is creating more quantity of carbon dioxide. So, it is acting as a pollutant and it is creating environmental pollution. So, now you must be clear that pollutant are the source of pollution, but remember one thing, pollutant are not appearing in the atmosphere like that. They are also having some source and the source is human activity. Now, pollutants can be solids, they can be liquids or they can be gas. Like I will give you an example like dust. You see some people who are asthmatic, they feel uneasy when they are exposed to dust. That means dust is also one of the pollutant. So, it can be in any form, it can be in any state, it can be solid, it can be liquid or it can be a gas. So, all these pollutants are basically governed by the human activity. Now, we are going to discuss type of pollutants. Number one, classification of pollutant is based on their origin. Like we can also call it primary and secondary. Primary, as the name suggests, primary means they are already persisting in the environment, and secondary means they are derived from the primary. Like we have polyacetyl nitrate, PAN. Second classification of pollutant is based on their existence in nature. Existence in nature, like you know that our environment or our atmosphere consists of different type of gases, CO2, CO and n number of gases, but if their concentration in the environment increases from their threshold value, then they are causing pollution. So, this type of pollution is called quantitative, as the name suggests, quantity. That means if their threshold value is increased, their concentration is increasing in the atmosphere, so they are directly responsible for pollution of the environment. Second one is qualitative. Qualitative means they do not normally occur. Quality means they do not normally occur in the environment, but they are passed in the environment by different human activity, like use of fertilizers, that is done by the human beings, and due to this activity of human being, these are passed into the environment. So, the second classification is based on their nature of existence, which is qualitative and quantitative. Next categorization or next classification of pollutant is based on their states of matter. States of matter, they can be solid, they can be liquid, and they can be gaseous. So, now we are going to discuss types of pollution. Pollutants you already know, but now you need to know the types of pollution created by these pollutants. So, normally, generally we all know that we have air pollution, we have water pollution, we have soil pollution, we have thermal pollution, we have radioactive pollution, but they can be categorized in different way. So, number one is according to the origin. As already discussed, it can be natural, it can be artificial. Natural means they are occurring, or it is basically due to the natural phenomena like volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, floods, forest fire, which are naturally occurring in the nature, and they are creating the pollution which is called natural pollution. Artificial pollution means basically man-made activities. Activities which are done by man are directly affecting the environment, and they are creating artificial pollution, like setup of industries, radioactive waste, their byproducts, they are passed into the water stream and water is being polluted, soil is being polluted. So, there are n number of activities done by human beings which are creating pollution, and this is called artificial pollution. Second classification of pollution is in its form, means it can be physical pollution and it can be social pollution. Physical pollution means deterioration of the quality of various elements in the environment, like soil is being deteriorated, quality of water is being deteriorated, and social as the name indicates, caste pollution, economic pollution, political pollution. So, these are also types of pollution. So, second categorization is basically on its form, physically or socially, but considering the broader classification, we categorize them according to the type of pollutant. Like if pollutant is sound, we call noise pollution. If pollutant is your radioactive matter, we call it as radioactive or nuclear pollution. And if pollution is your sewage, then we call sewage pollution. So, based on the type of pollutant, we also classify them as domestic or sewage pollution, noise pollution, soil pollution, radioactive pollution, and thermal pollution. So, there are various, we can classify pollution in various ways, but the broader classification consists of only air, water, soil, thermal, your radioactive, and noise pollution. So, today we discussed pollutants, their types, pollution and their types. I hope you have clear understanding about the type of pollution created by the human activities. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss these different types of pollutions in detail. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.